Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. So I'm back here with another pick a card reading for all you lovely people. But before we move forward, I request you to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, you could keep commenting on the channel, keep commenting on the videos. The more you comment, the more you get a chance to get general readings done from me. And also, thanks a lot for all the appreciation and the feedback and the comments that most of you have been sending out to me, and for letting me know that the readings are resonating with you. So today's reading is to let you know the blessings coming your way, the messages from the universe, or the blessings coming from the universe. This reading is a general reading. So I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1, the Art of Tarot deck, with the lapis lazuli crystal on top, and I've also kept the miracle cards or the mystical wisdom cards with this to give you guidance. So that's pile number 1. You could just focus on the Art of Tarot deck. That's completely fine, or the crystal, whatever suits you. That's pile number 2, the Rider Waite Tarot deck along with the green jade crystal on top, and I'm using the Moonology deck for guidance. And people who want to choose pile number 3, this is pile number 3, the Mystic Monday Tarot deck along with the Rose Quartz crystal on top, and I'm using the Miracle cards for guidance. So just see whatever you want to choose, whatever, like either you can connect with the piles or you can connect with the stones. It's completely your call, but I just request you to first think about your situations, then choose your pile. You can put the video on hold, think about your situations, what is going on in your life, what you really want to know about, whatever the blessings you want in connection to whichever situation. It could be a relationship, a health, a health scenario, or a career based situation. Whatever is on your mind, to each its own. Please remember that it's a general reading, so they may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. Also, I'll be doing the reading in English and Hindi mixed, because lately we did a poll and mostly people want me to do readings, mixed readings, just Hindi English mixed. So I really hope it works for you. Thank you so much once again for dropping by the channel, and also I've mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. So before you move forward, you could just put the video on hold, think about your situations, choose your piles, and I'm just going to put the rest of the piles away. Then I'll do your readings. So let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen the Art of Tarot deck, pile number 1 with the lapis lazuli crystal on top. What blessings are coming to you? People who've chosen pile number 1, maybe आपका main focus is on your relationship, या आप अपने whatever blessings you're wanting is in some kind of a relationship, some kind of a partnership, जो कि past में maybe बहुत अच्छी चल रही थी, it was doing well, or at least it was very satisfactory. At this point in time, maybe you need some kind of a guidance, or you need some kind of a help. Things might be little shaky, या आपको कोई decisions लेने हैं जो आप अभी नहीं ले पा रहे हो. There's some kind of a confusion. There could be maybe an argument or a breakup in your past, which has got you into a lot of stress, into a lot of confusion, and अब आप wait कर रहे हो that how things can get better, how could there be a reunion, or the partnership needs to go forward, and you're waiting for things to work in that direction. So for people who've chosen pile number 1, definitely the universe is with you, and the message is loud and clear that just surrender to the divine. आप छोड़ दीजिए, whatever is meant will take place, and it's going to be in a positive manner, because the situation is not in your hands. The decision is not being able to be made by you. So it's rather better कि आप अपना focus divine के ऊपर, या prayers के ऊपर, या just leaving it to the universe, just leave it, rather than अपना दिमाग लगाएं और आप अपने आप ही चीज़ें handle करिए. But towards the end of this whole scenario, whatever the issue may be, whatever, अभी आप बहुत ज़्यादा extremely overburdened हो, या आप बहुत ज़्यादा एक मेस में हो, यू बीन आस्किंग पीपल फॉर हेल्प बट मे बी आपको हेल्प नहीं मिली, यू बीन आस्किंग पीपल व्हाट टू डू, मे बी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव गॉट इन्वॉल्व्ड, आपने काफ़ी सारे लोगों से सजेशंस मांगी बट थिंग्स जस्ट गॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट, रादर देन आपको वो लोग हेल्प कर पाते, इट जस्ट मेड यू इवन मोर कन्फ्यूज्ड, एंड आपका जो अभी सिनारियो है इट इज़ फुल ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन, फुल ऑफ स्ट्रेस, एंड ऑल्सो आई सी कहीं ना कहीं एक स्ट्रगल आपके लिए शुरू हो गई है. सो इट्स बेस्ट राइट नाउ टू लीव थिंग्स द वे दे आर, लेट द यूनिवर्स टेक ओवर, एंड आई सी अ ह्यूज change coming in your situation, a big movement coming in your life. People who've chosen pile number 1, whatever may be the situation, it's coming with a big, nice, positive change for the good. Also, people who've chosen this pile for some kind of change in career or change in house, change in residence, buying of a new house, buying of a new property, all that is in store for you. अगर पहले से आपके मन में था and it's you've been waiting for it and things haven't been really working out for you, now is the time. The universe is helping you with that. Basically it's a situation, जो भी अभी आपकी situation है, the pile is definitely confirming success is in store for you. So the universe is blessing you with a lot of success coming your way. Right now you might be feeling कि there is nothing, there is no hope also. Maybe आपकी इतनी ज़्यादा stressful situation है, or maybe you're hurt or you're feeling dejected because you didn't really get help from anywhere in any situation. It could be anything. It could be a relationship, it could be health, it could be career, it could be finances, anything of the likes. But जो भी ये feeling है at this point in time that you have not got help, or you're feeling dejected, or you're just feeling of the feeling of just walking away from this situation क्योंकि आपके पास इसका आंसर नहीं है, और मे बी थिंग्स आर वेरी स्टैगनेंट, थिंग्स आर वेरी डल, आपको कोई रे ऑफ होप नहीं दिख रही है. एंड लाइक आई सेड इन द बिगिनिंग, यू योर सेल्फ डोंट हैव अ सोल्यूशन टू दिस. आपको पता है कि थिंग्स आर अंडर कंट्रोल, नॉट अंडर योर कंट्रोल. You might have been betrayed, you might have felt cheated. So all that is now to be just, उसको आप छोड़ दीजिए, let go of it and let the universe take over. I just have the feeling of determination in you because victory is on the cards, and the cards are also guiding you to just remain determined, just keep up the fire element alive in you. ये जो feeling आ रही है ना कि मेरे को situation को छोड़ना है, that has to go. छोड़ के नहीं जाना है. You don't have to leave the situation, you don't have to leave this problem. It's okay if it's not in your hands, but हार नहीं माननी. That's what the cards are guiding you to do. Be grateful, surrender to the divine, have that attitude ki it's all right. I have got a lot of other things on my plate. It's okay if this thing didn't work out, but I've got a lot from the universe. Seek clarity. Like I said in the beginning, right now you're very confused. So there's no point of you taking any decision also, because I see that there's a lot of confusion on the cards. आपको बहुत decisions make करने हैं. You're balancing. You're trying to just weigh the pros and cons of a lot of things. You're trying to balance out things. So just let things be, seek clarity, and unnecessary fights and unnecessary arguments में please मत घुसिए. Like I said, there's a lot of mess. बहुत सारे लोग इस situation में है. People are guiding you, people are distracting you, people are influencing you. So it's just better to just be away from various battles या किसी लड़ाई झगड़े में मत पड़िए. Even if you and your person have had a fight, like I saw in the beginning that maybe कोई argument या कोई issue हो गया है, think about it, be clear in your mind. Is it even worth it? क्या ये इतनी बड़ी बात है जिसके लिए आपने ये बैटल या ये फाइट पिकअप भी करी है? इज इट रियली वर्थ इट? डू यू रियली डिजर्व दिस? डज योर पर्सन डिजर्व इट? वट एवर इट कुड बी. So the cards are definitely guiding you to leave everything on the universe. The universe has a plan for you. The universe is here to support you, or आपकी blessings तो हैं ही on the way. Success is the biggest blessing that's coming to you in no time. There is not even a time frame that I can give you because it's going to happen very soon. यहाँ आपने सरेंडर किया, यहाँ आपने गॉड के ऊपर छोड़ा, ऑलमाइटी के ऊपर छोड़ा. whether it's a relationship, whether it's your health issue, whether it's work, finances, the universe is blessing you with peace, prosperity, growth, harmony in any field that you want. Just release your fears that you have. Maybe you've got a lot of pent up fears in your mind because you don't have an answer to these problems or an answer to your a solution to the issues that you have. So you need to release the fears. You need to just seek clarity, be clear in your head, and balance is on the cards for you. Balance of the yin and yang is coming for you. जो आप expect करोगे, जो आप universe से gratitude में मांगोगे या universe को thank करोगे, it's coming for you. Stress is अभी है stress, things are bad at your end, things are negative, but it's going to be like that's the way the situation is turning very soon. And like I said, it's a huge movement coming in your life, a peaceful yet a very positive yet a big movement coming in your life. It's going to be peaceful, it's going to be positive, but it's a huge movement. Maximum time period I'm going to give you is for 2 months. जो भी आपके मन में issues है, whatever blessings you're waiting for is on the cards for you. Success is on the cards for you. People who've chosen pile number 1, especially in terms of family planning or starting a new family, this is the time for you. Post 2 months, things will start working out for you. So start thinking on your, those lines, start getting clear in your thoughts. So I hope the reading was beneficial for everybody, and I hope that it resonated with you. Thank you so much for watching and dropping by my channel today, and I'll be coming back with more such readings for you. And soon you can join me for live readings too. I keep putting my posts for live readings, so hope you don't miss those. And just keep commenting. That's what I request you to do. Just keep sending me your feedback. It keeps me going. It motivates me to make more videos for you. Thanks a lot once again. Till we meet next time, take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2, the green jade crystal with the Rider-Waite tarot deck. That's the Rider-Waite tarot deck with the green jade crystal. If you've chosen this pile, let's see what blessings are coming your way. People who've chosen pile number 2, maybe past में चीज़ें the way you wanted it, or a new आपने कुछ नया start किया, maybe a project, maybe a relationship, maybe something new, maybe you bought something. मतलब you did definitely have some kind of a new hope, some kind of a new positive energy. Maybe आप चाहते थे चीज़ें आपकी तरह से चले, and they did happen. But at this point in time, you've come to a situation wherein there's a lot of stress, बहुत ज़्यादा सबसे पहली चीज़ ये है that you're really caring about what other people think about you, what other people think about your reputation. Maybe you're wanting a change in life. Maybe there's a lot of backbiting and cheating going on in your situation. So you're just waiting for a huge change because there's a lot of stress in your life at this point in time. And when will the situation become in your control? That's what is actually bothering you. You're feeling like walking away from the situation. You want a celebration. You want कि आपके साथ, it's like you want abundance. People who've chosen pile number 2 are definitely craving for abundance, whether it's materialism, whether it's a whole package of good health, good wealth. You've put in your efforts, but things haven't really been the way you wanted to. People who've chosen pile number 2, maybe you've gone through a breakup, maybe things have come down, maybe आपकी condition deteriorate हुई है, whether it's financial condition, whether it's your health condition, family condition, anything that has gone up, it's really done well, and suddenly now things have come down with a bang, things have crashed. Contentment is not there in life. You don't have solutions, you don't have an answer to the problems that you're actually facing. So soon, first of all, this dull phase will vanish. That's the first thing. Unexpectedly, within the next 6.5 weeks, जिन लोगों ने pile number 2 choose करी है, unexpected fortune coming your way 6.5 weeks from now. That call that you really wanted to come but वो नहीं आ रही थी, that's going to happen unexpectedly. A major sum of money, some amount, some promotion, anything on those lines. जिस चीज़ का आप काफ़ी टाइम से वेट कर रहे थे, it could be even 4 months से आप उस चीज़ का वेट कर रहे थे, या फिर इतने टाइम से आपकी लाइफ में नेगेटिविटी चल रही है and you're really wanting this clutter to go. You are on that edge जहाँ पे आपको लग रहा है कि I just want to take that fall, and मतलब you are just feeling कि मैं कब तक अपने आप को संभालूँ, you're on that stage कि things are not getting, I cannot handle this anymore. Your expectations are hurt, you've been cheated, you've been betrayed. Maybe some people have gone through that kind of a phase. You don't have answers. Financial आपको crisis हो गया है. You wanting to walk away from the situation, walk away from life. You're in the midst of a stress. So basically that situation is starting to unfold, like things will start getting better for you. 6.5 weeks के अंदर you will definitely get that unexpected news, unexpected fortune. This negative phase, this dull phase will move, like to get towards an end. I see new beginnings on the cards for you, new partnerships on the cards for you, successes coming your way, people who've chosen pile number 2. Within the next 4 months, I see everything coming under your control. जिस कंट्रोल का आप तब से वेट कर रहे हैं, because the first thing when I opened was कि maybe पहले सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था, but now things are under not in your control, things are not moving the way that you really want them to. So from 28 days, this whole scenario will start changing. 6.5 weeks में you're going to see definitely some new changes coming, some unexpected news coming your way. I see you meeting your person, I see you पैचिंग अप विथ योर पर्सन. अगर आपका पास्ट में कोई बहुत बुरा ब्रेकअप हुआ एंड यू बीन वेटिंग फॉर अ न्यू पर्सन टू कम इन योर लाइफ, that is also happening. I see you meeting that special someone. Also, people who had a breakup and you want to patch up with your own, with the same person, that is also on the cards for you. New partnerships are on the cards for you. 24 days to 28 days, new beginnings will start taking place, new opportunities to look forward to. जो आप इतनी स्ट्रगल देख रहे हैं, मे बी फ्रॉम द पास्ट 3 to 4 months, लाइक आई सेड, यू आर वेटिंग फॉर फ्यू थिंग्स सिंस द पास्ट 4 months, यू बिन पुटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स, बट आपको उनका रिजल्ट नहीं मिल रहा है, तो आपको और ज़्यादा फीलिंग ऑफ नेगेटिविटी आ रही है, बिकॉज चीज़ें आपके हिसाब से नहीं चल रही हैं. जिन लोगों का चीट किया है लोगों ने आपको, या फिर बिट्रे किया है आपको, या somebody just stabbed you in the back, all that negativity is finally coming to an end and a new beginning is on the cards for you. And हो सकता है पास्ट में देयर वाज अ 3-party सिचुएशन इन योर रिलेशनशिप, जिसकी वजह से इश्यूज हो गए थे, प्रॉब्लम्स हो गई थी, स्ट्रेस आ गया था, बट नाउ फाइनली that whole negative phase is changing, and definitely for a lot of you, patch up, reunion is on the cards within the next 6 to 7 weeks. Settlement, marriage, ceremonies, roka, something on those lines which gives you happiness, which gives you contentment, success. That's all on the cards for you. So just stay determined. I understand that the situation is very negative, maybe there is no ray of hope, but the cards are definitely very promising. 18 days from now, this negative phase, this burden is definitely passing by, and the blessing that's coming to you is in the form of control. Basically, a lot of you who've chosen pile number 2 would be craving कि कब मेरे हाथ में चीज़ें होंगी, कब मैं अपने लाइफ को अपने हिसाब से चला पाऊँ, when will I have that control, when will things start going the way I want to. So that control is coming in your hands within this month. For a lot of you, it's just going to take 8 days from now for things to start taking shape, and the rest of the time periods I've already mentioned. So just be bold, start taking the moves, especially people who've chosen pile number 2 in terms of relationships. It's your call. You need to take the first move. You need to be bold. You need to push yourself. Laid back attitude से कुछ भी नहीं मिलने वाला. Contemplate your opportunities, contemplate whatever is on your mind. Maybe you need to meditate so that you get the clarity of the situation. You can clear away the clutter. A new romantic cycle is on the cards. It's starting very soon. So like I said, either you're going to patch up, reunite with your old person, or you're going to find your new person, new soulmate, new lover, whatever. Relationships, just have faith in the dreams, just have faith in the universe, people who've chosen this pile, and try and make a few adjustments into whatever situation you are in. Life is not perfect, so jo best mil raha hai, just try and make the adjustments that you can. All these issues that you're facing, especially any personal issue that has not been able to get resolved, is finally reaching its resolution. So like I said in the beginning, that maybe there are issues that are जिनका solution आपके पास भी नहीं है, and you just want that to get cleared. That is also happening very soon, people who've chosen pile number 2. So all your issues are coming to an end. The help that you've been wanting to get in any field is now you're going to get that help too. 2 months for a lot of you for these things to just start getting better or resolved. And like I said, 6.5 weeks में बहुत सारे लोगों को अपने issues की solutions मिल जाएंगे, अपने partners मिल जाएंगे, patch up हो जाएगा आपका person के साथ. If you've been struggling with issues in your career, आपको job नहीं मिल रही थी, you've been putting in efforts, but आप promotion की wait कर रहे थे, all those things are gonna start happening. You're getting whatever was due to you. जिस भी चीज़ का आप वेट कर रहे थे, जो भी चीज़ यूनिवर्स आपको नहीं दे रहा था, जिस चीज़ की भी आपको क्रेविंग थी, that is coming to you at this point in time. Stay away from negative people, stay away from confusion, backbiting, Do not get into arguments. This is not the right time for you to get into any kind of arguments and issues with other people. So yes, 3.5 weeks from now, you will be ready to take that plunge, to take that fall. That new opportunity is coming to you and you just have to grab it. And please do not worry कि अच्छा हम इसको ये करेंगे या हमारे सामने ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आई है तो इसका क्या रिजल्ट होगा. रिजल्ट हैज़ ऑलरेडी बीन टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय the Almighty. You just have to do your karma. You just have to do your bit. Rest. The universe has the plan. The universe has already blessed you. So I hope the reading was resonant with people who chose pile number 2, and leave in your comments and feedbacks in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching for watching the channel and dropping by, and leave in your comments, and catch me live, maybe today, maybe in a day or two, whenever. I mean, the post keeps coming on YouTube. It comes on Instagram also. My Instagram handle is Tarot Arc, so you could find the posts for general, for live readings also on my page, my handle, wherever. So just stay tuned. Thanks a lot once again. Take care and stay safe. Let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen the Mystic Monday Tarot deck, pile number 3, with the rose quartz crystal on top. Let's see what blessings are coming to you. People who've chosen pile number 3, बहुत डल, बहुत stagnant time है. Maybe past में भी था. Things have not been going the way you wanted to. You've had a breakup, or you're waiting for a patch up to happen in your relationship. You're waiting for that special someone to reunite. Also, like I said, stagnancy. Things are very slow moving, very, very, time नहीं निकल रहा है आपका. A lot of confusion is there on the cards, on your mind regarding making decisions. आपको कुछ ऐसे decisions बनाने हैं जिनका आपके पास वो ही नहीं है. You don't even know what decision to make. You're confused whether to be in this relationship or not, whether to be in the job or not, whether to take a new job, remain in the present one. So all these things are there playing on your mind, and it's going to take about 2 months for you to get settled. Also, जिन लोगों ने pile number 2 choose करी है, you're extremely overburdened, maybe because of your thoughts, maybe because of the stress that you're in, maybe because of the issues that are going on in your life. So I would recommend that you start taking salt water baths for the next 10 days, rock salt water baths. They would really help you to calm down. They would help you to ease down. You need it because the mind and the body is not being able to take this fatigue, this stress. So it's better that you do that. Also, once you start doing that, आपके चक्रास खुलेंगे. Your intuitions are very high at this point in time. So अगर आप ये stress हटा देंगे, इस anxiety को हटा देंगे, so you will be able to make the right choices. You will be able to see the things clearly with an open mind, जो आप अभी नहीं देख पा रहे हो. There are a lot of things that are going on in your mind जिसकी वजह से आप clarity और focus के साथ चीज़ें नहीं decide कर पा रहे हो. You're not being able to make decisions. So yes, I recommend you to start meditating and open your thoughts, seek inner guidance, your intuitions, your gut feeling is very, at this point in time, it's very good, it's very active. People who've chosen pile number 3, maybe आपका past में कुछ, you've had a bad phase, you've had a downfall in anything, and you've seen the worst struggle that one could have actually thought of. But soon the universe is blessing you with a lot of peace, prosperity, harmony, and a lot of new beginnings. And it's going to just take you. आपको universe automatically उन situations में, उस direction में ले जाएगा, which is the best for you, which is positive for you. I see new partnerships on the cards, whether it's career, whether it's finances, whether it's your, love life, new meetings, meeting people, new partnerships, coming together of two people for some kind of a venture, for marriage, whatever. You meeting your soulmate, you patching up with your person, that's happening with you. 2 months from now, for a lot of people, these things, this is all going to be history. The negative phase that you've seen is all going to be history, and soon a new phase is, your life is definitely starting a new phase of positivity, with a lot of new beginnings on the cards, new opportunities, new hopes to, see job change, career change, buying of a new property, buying of a new house, shifting, maybe moving abroad, travel. A lot of things are on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. You're going to be blessed with all these things and just surrender to the divine. So mainly you need to meditate, you need to focus, you need to be clear in your mind, and then just leave everything to the universe. The divine powers are here to bless you. Balance is coming at the right time in your life. And जो भी ये phase है of up and down, negativity, stagnancy, that will just fade away. Also what you need to do is जितनी भी ये negativity अभी आपके अंदर जम रही है, pent up हो रही है, नहीं निकल रही है, release this negativity. The emotional turmoil, the emotions that you're facing, जो ये phase आपकी life में आया हुआ है, you need to now release it from your body, from your mind, so that you're able to focus on the new aspect of your life that the universe has to offer. 4 months from now, all this will be history, and you will be looking at greater heights, at much positive situations in your life. A lot of you will gain good reputation in society, or other people will be talking about the good deeds that you've done, or anything. A lot of recognition is on the cards. Positive recognition is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3, and things will just take an unexpected turn. आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा how this will turn, how this sequence of events will happen. It might just be a miracle for a lot of you, but it's on the cards that unexpectedly things are going to just change for you. Celebration is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. You're going to meet your person, you're already with your person, or issues bhi hain, it's okay. This person is meant to stay. This is the real, this is the love of your life, this is your soulmate. So just do your best you can. For a lot of you who are not in relationships, I see you meeting your person. Your love life is blooming with a lot of positivity. It's your cup is full of love and harmony between you and your person. Everything will come into, the universe will just give everything to you on your platter. The sources that you require, whatever is needed for your situation, and you just have to execute your plan, make it and execute it. Baki sara saman aapko unknowingly, how things will just happen for you. It's going to be a very positive turn, and something that you never expected. It's going to happen out of the blue. It's time for changes and new beginnings, people who've chosen pile number 3, and that's what the miracle cards are also confirming. Your life is going to see a constant phase, a phase of constant change, and your ideas and your thoughts will anyways have the divine energies, and they will just keep illuminating your life. So anything, people who have the desire to reach newer heights and greater heights, this is your time. So apna mind, make sure that your mind is very positive, your hopes are very positive, you aspire to reach newer heights, and the universe has a plan for you. Great spiritual growth will be experienced. So like I said, that's what the miracle cards are confirming that, and that's what the mystic wisdom cards have also, mystical wisdom cards have also said that. Magic Monday cards have also confirmed that you really need to meditate, you really need to seek answers. आपको बहुत clarity मिलेगी जो अभी आपको नहीं मिल रही है. You're going to get focus, you're going to get clarity. Students who've chosen pile number 3, आपको अपना career decide करना है, whatever you're not being, but you're very confused. So just meditate, seek answers from your inner self, from your higher self, and like I said, great spiritual growth is going to be experienced now. The angels are here to watch over you and to protect you, and the plan is already made for you. Travel is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3, which I've already said in the past. A lot of traveling, movement, that's all there coming in your life. A lot of blessings coming on, onto you by the universe. Good news is on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 3. Just make sure that you don't let this new change or this positive change get into your head. You need to always be in an attitude of gratitude. The key message of the card is that you need to have a lot of knowledge, learning, and inner power and insights from your own self, which will only happen through meditation. So make the most of this time, use it, make the optimum use of this time which the universe is giving you, and push aside the laziness or any kind of distractions that are coming to you, and meditation will help you to create your goals, create your vision, whatever. It could be a relationship also which needs to be goal oriented, which needs to have a certain plan. You need to know how you're going to take the relationship forward, or whatever. It could be any situation. These are general readings, but the soul message for you from pile number 3, or the soul blessing that the universe is blessing you in any way. It's already blessed you. It's already got the plan for you. Things will happen the way it has been planned, but what you need to do is you need to make your own goals, your vision. Your confusion needs to be clear, and rest you will, like I said in the beginning, आपको already universe उस right direction में guide करता रहेगा, and this reading is also just a guidance coming from the universe to take you towards that direction. So just give some time, and for a lot of you 2 months is the time, 4 months for some people, but mostly things will start taking shape for you within the next few 28 days say. So just make the most of it. I wish you all the best, people who've chosen pile number 3, and just follow the reading. If it has resonated with you, then make sure that you do follow the guidance also. Thanks a lot once again for dropping by and watching my channel, watching the reading. Please do like, share, subscribe, keep commenting on the channel. Stay tuned for live readings too. I keep doing live readings off and on. Just stay connected to the channel for the posts for live readings, and I'll be coming back with more such readings for you all. Thanks a lot once again. Take care and stay safe.